In The Narrow Edge, A Tiny Bird, an Ancient Crab, and an Epic Journey, I accompany a small sandpiper, the red knot, from its winter home in Tierra del Fuego along the Strait of Magellan up to its nesting grounds in the Arctic. Along the way, I went to moonlit beaches in the highest of spring's high tides in the middle of the night to look at horseshoe crabs coming to lay their eggs in the sand. And I did that because in ways many of us have never considered, our lives are intertwined with these two animals living at the edge of the sea. I've been writing about the sea and the edge of the sea for my entire professional career. And now, this place, which is astonishingly rich and fertile, is becoming increasingly congested and fragile. The birds are dependent on the tiny eggs of the horseshoe crab in order to fuel a really long leg of their migration. They fly sometimes thousands of miles for 6 or 8 days at a time, nonstop. The blue blood of the horseshoe crab constitutes the only FDA-approved test to detect potentially dangerous contamination in our drugs and implanted medical devices. Almost none of us have experienced these potentially fatal endotoxin infections because of this ancient animal that many people have never seen. The red knot is the first U.S. bird listed by the Fish and Wildlife Service as threatened under the Endangered Species Act because its future is imperiled by global warming. I guess I believe that while I have no control over the world that we came into, we are responsible for it while we are here, and we are responsible for leaving our children an inhabitable world. I'm really so grateful for this award because it will give voice to this story and bring it to a much wider audience. I'm also really grateful for this award because it's not just honoring the book, it's honoring the animals and it's honoring the scientists who've worked for so many years to understand the complex evolution of the seashore and the many people who have dedicated their lives to repairing the torn web at the edge of the sea.